Hey there, my name is Andrew and I'm from the Mulai Law Firm. We help entrepreneurs just like you create their businesses without having to deal with all the complicated legal forms. We are the highest rated business law firm for entrepreneurs. In fact, we have over 1,800 5-star Google reviews. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to create an online business. So you've probably clicked on this video because you want to know what it takes to create an online business. If you haven't gotten the chance to yet, in my previous video, I talked about how to create a business for beginners. Feel free to click right here to watch the video. There are 3 things that you want to be mindful of when you decide that you want to create an online business. First, you must generate an idea. Second, you must ask yourself, how is that idea going to provide others with value? How is that idea going to benefit the lives around me? Once you've generated that idea, and once you've figured out how that idea will better the lives of those around you, the last thing you're going to want to do is to believe in that idea. Believe in yourself. Believe that you are capable to create a business, to run a business, to allow a business to become successful. An online business has many perks, many benefits. Whether you choose to provide a product or a service, you can manage your business from anywhere in the world. All you need is a Wi-Fi connection. You can be in India, you can be in Dubai, you can be in Canada. It doesn't matter where you are. You can operate your business no matter where you are. Now, I'm going to walk you through 3 steps to allow you to create a successful online business. The first step is to educate yourself as to the product and the service that you will be providing. Watch YouTube videos, read books, use whatever resources are out there to inform yourself and to be better knowledgeable of your service and your product. Many years ago, in order to find information, people had to go to libraries. People had to spend hours of time in a library searching for an answer just to find out that the information that they were searching for was not available. Now we live in a world where you can find the answer to just about anything by a click of a button. Use Google, use YouTube, read books, inform yourself, and become knowledgeable in the service and the product that you plan to provide. The second step is, once you've gathered all the information that you need, begin creating a business plan. Who's gonna be involved in your business? How many employees will you have? Is your brother gonna be involved in the business? Is your sister gonna be involved in the business? Creating a business plan will make you more likely to take action to create your business, to finally begin what you have been putting off. Now, the third step is to realize that creating a business is not always straightforward. Your business must comply with state, federal, and county laws. You must have the correct licenses and permits to legally operate. If you find yourself needing guidance or additional information, click the link in the description box below. The time is now. The world needs your product. The world needs your service. The Malai Law Firm is here for you. If you haven't already, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so we don't miss you on any future videos. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time to rise.